Look, you can sell like 1 million albums your first week, right? Do the most numbers in the whole music industry. If you forget these steps, you're not gonna hit the Billboard chart. Hey, my name is Tremaine from Music Funding Secrets, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually get registered so you can hit the Billboard chart. So a lot of artists forget this step. They go to CD Baby, DistroKid, TuneCore, or wherever they register their music at. You know, as far as like the streaming services, a lot of artists forget these steps, right? So the first thing you want to do after you put your music on DistroKid, all of that type of stuff, you're gonna get your ISRC codes, right? Right. Those are for the singles, and then you're gonna get your UPC code for the album, right? Now, once you get all of that information, right, I'm gonna write that down: UPC and ISRC. I'm writing it down here because this light right here, I still haven't figured out how to get that taken care of. UPC. I'm not a lighting guy, right? I don't do like, lighting. So ISRC, because that's for, your singles. UPC is for the album, songs. Right? UPC, album, ISRC is for the song, right? And after you get that information, you're gonna go to Nielsen SoundScan. I think I'm spelling that right. Nielsen SoundScan. Now you can click the link below. Click the link below, or if you get the checklist that I made for you guys, you can just click it and go right to it, right? So once you get all this information, then you get it registered with Nielsen SoundScan, right? You're gonna do like you're gonna do like pre-sales, right? You're gonna do like a pre-orders and things like that. Ooh. Pre-orders. I hope you guys can see this. Pre-orders, maybe like 2 months before the release. Before release, right? And then you're gonna pretty much sell, right? Sell, sell, sell. Now, I didn't want to make this video long and drawn out. It's already long and drawn out because I made some mistakes, but this is pretty much the step-by-step you have to follow, right? When you're releasing your music. Because like I said, you could sell like 1 million albums, or you could sell like 1,000. And it takes like 450 to 500 album sales to actually, get on the charts, right? On average, right? Now, somebody may be doing crazy numbers that same week or whatever, and you may have some more to compete with. But on average, that is pretty much the numbers you have to be doing to hit the Billboard charts. Now, streams and things like that, they do count. It's like thousands of streams that will count for one album sale. So I'll put that somewhere in this video because I don't know off the top of my head right now. But those actually go with the album sales, right? Streams and things like that. It hasn't always been like that, I believe. So that's another good thing. So if you're releasing your music, make sure you're doing this, right? Make sure you're doing this. And that's pretty much it, right? Like I said, I got like a checklist, and I have like a link in the checklist, and I have a link in the description of this video. It depends where you're watching this video. Maybe it's YouTube, maybe it's not. So that is all for you guys. I hope you liked this video, and I hope I gave you some value. Thank you for watching. And again, my name is Tremaine from Music Funding Secrets. And when you're trying to promote, like I said, sell, 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 you may need money for marketing. And if you're in a position where you don't have much money for marketing, all you have to do is go to musicfundingsecrets.com and grab the book so you can see other ways or many ways for you to fund your music career.